with these building blocks, let's see examples of how some of our users are using Warpdrive to save a full week's worth of work by running batched automations over the weekends. To show that, we will also cover how Warpdrive at the backend exposes an API that we use to interface Warpdrive with Excel. So what you can do is you can select a row in Excel, and that forms the inputs for the automations, as we already saw. And then what you can do is you can do that recording over that row, i.e. those set of inputs, and then demonstrate the task exactly again as we have been doing. So in this particular case, I am looking up the city, the address, and that will be my validation warp. So now when I go back to Excel, I can actually select my workflow and click stop on errors. That's what I want to do, and run it over a batch. For example, like 2 rows, I could run it over the entire data set. Here it's running, and it's going to do the validations as we were doing manually earlier, but now we're doing it in a batch. So we let this batch finish.